Hey, what's up guys? Thank you so much for like assistance. The electrical contractor definitely want your project. We're going to be talking about smoke detectors today and how to install them. Stay tuned. Before we get to install this puppy over here, make sure you subscribe, give us a like. It's very important for us so we can keep doing these kind of videos for you guys. Alright? So, on a new house, you're gonna have, well, our painters over here, they painted all the wires, so I don't know if you guys will be able to see, but we got our neutrals, the white one, we got our positive over here, or hot, however we call this one, let's call it hot, okay? And then you have the red one, which nowadays it's required so all the smoke detectors, they talk to each other throughout the house, because we gotta have one each in the area, right? So each bedroom, one car on the side of the hallway. And if you have another story or something like that, then you're going to be required to have another car on the side. Okay? So please don't install your smoke detectors in the kitchen. That's really, really bad because someone's going to be cooking that and it's going to trip all the time. That's it for you there. So in a case like this, where the wire is brand new, it's very, very simple to install the smoke. Okay? All you really have to do is, the way I do it, all you really need is to undo the wire nut, connect your Y wire on it. Okay, let's do our test to see if it's caught over there. Yep. Then I like to do my hot, as the last wire to connect. So I'm going to do the right one, a little bit further, passing the copper, tie the wire nut, and now the black one. Same process. Pass a little bit of copper, put your wire nut, pull to see if it's caught in there. Yep. So now, you can push the wires back. I like to install the pigtail first. And really what you need to do is just put the screws. The base that's gonna lock in there has the preset distance for boxes. So all we need to do is just find that. Okay. There you go. Screw that in. Okay, smoke's there. And really all you need to do is just plug this pigtail on this. But before you do that, I want to show you guys something very important. These are 10-year battery bulbs. What does that mean? You don't have any access to the battery. It's supposed to last you 10 years. So for that, one of the main things we gotta do is write down the date of the install on the smoke detector right here, okay? Which today would be the 19th. So September 19th, 21. Then on the other side, it would be when you should replace this, which would be right here. It's just month and year, you don't need to put the day. So it would be September of 2031. It's when you have to replace these guys. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and write that down, put the smoke detector up, and you're all set. One detail, it's not uncommon for you to see wiring in other places where you're not gonna have the red wire. Okay, so you're just gonna have black and white. Downfall of that is that if you have multiple smoke detectors and they don't have the red wire, they're not going to communicate. So if one starts going off, the other ones won't. In this case, if one goes out, the whole house will go out, all the bedrooms and hallway. So that's a very important thing to keep in mind. So we're gonna go ahead and write it down and put it up. So we got September 18th, 2021. We have to replace it by September of 31. And now we're just gonna pop this thing up and we should be all good to go.
Okay.
So now we just connect the pigtail on the connection over here and we should be good to go. Okay, we got a green light, so that's always a good signal, right? A good sign that, a good sign that everything is going as it should. Now we're just gonna press the button to hear a beep. And the camera is gonna lower the volume of the beeping so you guys don't get crazy out there. Oh, so we know it works. Everything's fine the way it's supposed to be. If we had that one installed, then the whole house would go, right? In new constructions like this, we're obligated to type the smoke detectors, especially in California. That's how it goes. The code here, you can see where we are in Centerville. We're required to type the smoke detectors with the fire bell outside. So it's going to be even louder than that, okay? Don't mind me sweating. We're really doing things live right now as we go. So I'm sweating. It's hot out here, and that's why I'm seeming like this. So there's no BS around when we do our videos. It's hands-on, all right? Stay tuned for more. See you in the next one.